Hey everyone, today I've got a video on this 40 watt GREENWORKS battery powered mower. I've literally just unboxed this. I've just taken it out of the box and just got a little bit of assembly to do. As that's assembling, once I put that together, which I'll explain how difficult that was once I've got it in the right shape. I've got some chargers going on here. So I've got two 72 watt charging batteries and they take 60 minutes to charge. So I've just got this one on charge at the moment, and I'll get this all set up and I'll come back to you on how easy this was to set up, if it was hard or not. And with it came an American adapter for the charger. I've obviously got the British one because I'm in the UK, and a bunch of instructions which I'm just about to look at now, so I shall get back to you in a moment. Okay, so I've now assembled the mower. It literally took 5 minutes. It's really easy. So all you have to do is you basically get this additional section here, which is in the box. You push it against this bottom unit, clip it on, and there's a couple of screws. One screw goes in there to screw it on here, another in there, and then you just get the cable here and put it through this little kind of cable holder or tie, and that's it. And what you also get in the box is this grass holder, which simply, it's dead easy because it just literally hangs onto a connection there, so it just lifts off really easy. And what you also get in the box is this piece here, which if you remove the grass collector and stick this inside the mower instead, it allows you to kind of mulch your grass and it'll end up back on the lawn again. So rather than collecting it, it simply cuts the grass but puts it back onto the lawn. So I don't think I'm going to be using that, to be honest, because I always want my grass to be collected. But yeah, that's useful if that's the sort of thing you're after. And then what we've got here is these two on either side. You've got these sections here that pull out and then you unscrew, and that allows you to fold this entire arm over and down, so that if you want to put it away in somewhere that's quite small, you can flip this open and fold it over, and I'll show you that later on when I put this away. And then at the front you've got this section here, which is obviously to slide your battery pack in once it's charged up. And then also down here you've got this little lever which allows you to change the obviously height of the mower, so you can kind of adjust it so it's low or high up to level 5. Nice and easy, nice and big as well to grab hold of. My last mower used to be a bit of a pain in the arse to do because you have to do it on every single wheel, whereas this, it's just doing it on one lever, which is quite useful. So what I'm now going to do, once that's charged, I shall show you that I'm going to be cutting my lawn, which currently looks like this. So that gives you an idea of the lawn at the moment. It's pretty terrible, pretty high, needs cutting desperately. So I'll do a mow and show you what it looks like once this is done. Okay, so this is a quick video to show you the length of the grass. So it's really long, this grass at the moment. And I'm just going to show you cutting through it with the lawnmower, so you can just give you an idea of how good this lawnmower is and how powerful it is. Okay. So I'm just going to press the button. Okay guys, so I finished cutting the lawn, and you probably saw from my last bit of video how easy it was for me to cut through that really long grass, and that grass was also wet, so just to bear that in mind, it did a really good job of getting through that. I had a couple of times where it cut off power, I think to stop the motor from burning out, but my grass was particularly long and it was wet, so I had to increase the level. I had it on like 3 before, had to rise it, which stopped the problem. But yeah, overall impression, this is awesome. One of the reasons I got this was because I absolutely hate cutting the grass. I can't stand it, it really irritates me. I just don't like the cable getting wrapped up around the tree I've got in the middle of the garden, and just a hassle, and this took all that away. And I wish I'd bought one, I wish I got something like this a lot earlier. If you don't like cutting grass, and you find it to be a pain, get something battery powered. It makes your life so much easier. Just not having the cable is such a blessing, and just having that freedom of just walking out straight with it without having to plug it in the house and all the rest of it. Yeah, really good. I'm super impressed with this, and I said it's taken the pain out of mowing my grass. That's what I had before, so just to give you an idea, it was a very small mower. It's about, I think it was about £80, that mower. It did the job, but I used to hate the cable. You can see the cable wrapped around at the moment. But yeah, this is awesome. I can't really fault it. What I do like as well is I noticed that the grass was being forced to the back of the basket rather than collecting at the front and stopping the mower from actually collecting the grass, which is good, because this smaller one that I had before, one of the downsides was it used to collect the grass and it used to all gather at the back, and then you have to stop and empty it and unblock it, whereas this hasn't had that problem. So yeah, overall guys, very impressed. If you're after a lawnmower, especially if you're after a battery powered one, highly recommend this. I think it's brilliant. It's more than enough power for me. I've cut the front and back garden, and I've still got capacity in the battery. Let's have a look. I press it. Actually, I have to take this out. So I have to pull this out one sec. Sorry, it's hard doing this with one hand. Right, so let's have a look. Yeah, so it's only gone down one level, and I've cut the front and back garden. So yeah, very impressed. Good piece of kit. Any questions, comments, just let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them. Cheers guys.